boys love to do things that bother you and then keep doing it and like poking at you because they think it's funny. They think it's hilarious how pissed off everyone's getting over nothing. And this is just a wide scale of them just doing that innocently, I guess, and just using this girl and just doing her little dancey dance and her little songy song, and you're so fucking mad.
The problem with cooking with Kaya is not Kaya. It's your man. It's your man. The problem with cooking with Kaya is not Kaya. It's your man. If your man is screaming at your face, like rubbing it all up on your face that you're not like Kaya, get a different man. Baby, you need a different man. If he's obsessed about Kaya on his phone and not about you, get a different man. That's not on Kaya. That's on your man. Okay? And man, if you're upset that your girl doesn't do those things for you, how are you treating your girl? Are you paying all?
I think I figured out why women in general don't really mess with cooking with Kaya. And I wish I would stop saying, oh, she's just a girl that's cooking. She just a girl that's cooking. Because, yeah, on the outside, it may seem like that. But if you really, like, watch some of her videos, you'll see that she's a pick-me woman. Like, she panders to men. And I think that's why women don't like her. Because women in general do not like pick-me women. Like, we don't like pick-me girls. I don't know how else to say it. Her entire platform is like, get up and cook for your man before I do it. Do this for your man before I do it. Do this for your man before I do it. Your man this, your man that. I take your man, I take your man. That's the definition of a pick-me. And women do not like pick-me women. Like, I don't. Now, I am in no way, shape, or form saying that she deserves any of the hate or the nasty.
Girl, I could steal your man with this dinner I just cooked, bro. Take a good look. Welcome to another video with Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. One of y'all boyfriends last week asked me did I know how to make smothered turkey wings, so I thought I'd share my recipe. Welcome to another video, Cooking with Kaya, Cooking with Kaya, Cooking with Kaya, Cooking with Kaya.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Ruby Masaga. Today I want us to have an honest conversation about something that has been making waves online, cooking with Kaya. Well, there's been a lot of mixed reactions about her content. And I think it raises a lot of important discussion about women individually and societal expectations. Well, before we even dive into this topic, let me share a few videos of cooking with Kaya and a few reaction videos from people. Then let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular topic. Yeah, let's watch. Also remember to subscribe, like, and share as well.
The thing about cooking with Kaya that I find so funny is that men are really out there showing their wives and girlfriends cooking with Kaya because she said, cook for your man or I will. And they're like, yeah, see, like if you don't do it, like she said she will. Bro, she doesn't know that you exist. It's giving me flashbacks to some idiot that I dated in college that tried to make me jealous by showing me some DM he got on Instagram from a Twitch streamer girl that was very obviously a programmed message that was like, thank you for watching my channel. And he messaged her back saying, oh my gosh, like I'm such a big fan. Do you want to play together sometime? And I tried to explain to him, dude, she's not even messaging you. Like that's a programmed message. It's like a courtesy thing to keep you watching. And he like would not believe me until of course she just didn't answer for like months and months or ever, right? Because it's a programmed message. But they're really out here seeing these women on Twitch or on TikTok and going, if you won't cook for me, she will. No, she won't. She's profiting off of your stupidity. And I'd also like to point out that cooking really isn't that hard. You can do it for yourself. I love to cook and I love to bake. And the amount of men that expect me to do that for them with absolutely nothing in return, that is like you should be subservient to me, you should cook for me, meanwhile they're useless. I love cooking and baking as a hobby. It's not fun anymore if some gross man is telling me that I have to do it for him because I'm subservient. I have a wonderful husband that respects me and pays for everything because I'm sick, so I have to stay at home. And you know what he gets? Do you know what this man gets? Because he's not a sexist piece of shit. Because he appreciates me and encourages my talents.
So a man posted a video talking about cooking with Kaya versus cooking with Jai. And he said that men like cooking with Kaya because she seems attainable. And by attainable, he means they can afford her. And by they can afford her, it means cheap. And no, I'm not calling my girl cheap because she is running them pockets. She is running them ragged. But what he's saying is, right, they cannot get a girl like Jai because they cannot afford her. They cannot afford the house that she's living in. Her kitchen, it looks expensive. They can't afford that. But he said, but Kai, she lives in a regular old apartment. I can approach a girl like that.
Listen, the girls are not bothered about cooking with Kaya herself. They're bothered about all the women that cooking with Kaya represents. That's what the issue is. She is someone that makes cookies while serving cookies. And that's always a problem. That's always a problem. But only certain people are pressed. The thing is, all the babes that feed their man be making cookies and serving cookies or whatever, there's no issue. Cooking with Kaya who? They don't care. It's not important to them. It's absolutely irrelevant. Their man is good. They're happy. Happy over here. Good over here. All the other people that are making your man do 30-day fast or whatever, that are coming home, they don't know if there's gonna be no home cooked meal or nothing like that. Or this, oh no, I'm not cooking for a man. Listen, now these are the ones that are stressed. These are the ones that are talking about my man can't be watching Cooking with Kaya. This is that bubble. Why are you stressed? Make the guy a sandwich. That's all he's asking for. Make the guy a sandwich. Give him some cookies and serve him some cookies. That's all the guy's asking for. He's not asking for too much. But now you're pressed. You don't want to change your ways. Instead, you want to be trying to make sure that he's not interested in girls that are doing up Cooking with Kaya. Listen, focus on yourself. The development starts at home. That's all it is. Once you do that, then there's no problem. Cooking with Kaya is not no threat. Girls that do up Cooking with Kaya move the same way that Kaya does. Listen, they're not no threat. Because what you pattern at yard, he's happy with. Please, everything starts at home.
Boys love to do things that bother you and then keep doing it and like poking at you because they think it's funny. They think it's hilarious how pissed off everyone's getting over nothing. And this is just a wide scale of them just doing that innocently, I guess, and just using this girl and just doing her little dancey dance and her little songy song, and you're so fucking mad. Let that girl get her fucking money, grow some balls and some self-confidence. Kiss, kiss. Let that girl get her fucking money. Now stop with the think pieces. Bye. Because we have bigger issues to worry about than a girl being silly.
Another thing, ladies, these men are never going to meet that lady, okay? They're never going to meet her. At the end of the day, if you're a chick that who's not cooking for her man and you're not wearing cute shit around the house, then you already fucking yourself up. If you're already doing it, then she's not your problem. These men are really just fucking with y'all. Y'all do get that. They really, they fucking with y'all. And they're winning. Do not let them win. That girl is just doing her job. This is a job for her. Listen to your auntie, okay? Men are visual creatures, okay? They like to look at women like this. 9 times out of 10, they ain't never gonna meet this girl. And even if they do meet women like this off the internet, they're gonna be disappointed because they're gonna find out that she's just something good to look at. She probably ain't got no personality. This is no shade to her. I'm talking about women like this in general. Instagram models and any type of visual women that these men like to just drool over. You have nothing to worry about. This is the internet. Do not let this internet shit fuck up what you got going on in your household. If you want to know whether or not your man is missing something that you're not giving him, ask him. Period. Problem solved. Let that girl make her little dishes and do her little twerk dances. That's what she's doing right now. Sadly, she's really just the flavor of the month because probably by January, somebody else is going to come along and take her spot. That ain't hating on her at all. I think she's a beautiful young lady. Her marketing is making dishes, twerking, wearing sexy clothing, possibly serving it to another bitch's man who ain't doing it. That's her niche. But if you already doing all that shit, then you ain't got nothing to worry about. So don't let it get you out of your bag. Stay in that shit, please.
Kaya's videos are very creative. She found a unique way to combine cooking and entertainment. But let's be real, the provocative aspect of her videos is a big part of her brand. And that is why it gets tricky. Some people love her creativity, love her confidence, while others, especially women, find those videos to be even uncomfortable to watch. Some of them get offended. And that is what I want us to talk about today. First, let me say this. Women are different. We cannot all be like Kaya. We cannot start acting like Kaya. We were born different, with different characters, different behaviors. Some of us are not confident enough to do some things. So we cannot all start acting like Kaya. And that is where I fault the society. Because the society expects all women to now start acting like Kaya. And I'm talking about men. Majority of these men who are watching her content don't even like cooking. They are not even going there to see how she's cooking. Majority of them are going there to just drool over her, which is very wrong. Some of you watch her content not because you love food, not because you love cooking. You know why you're going to watch her content. Imagine having a wife at home, then suddenly she noticed that you've gotten addicted to a particular content creator. How do you think she feels? The moment she discovers that it's a woman, and the moment she discovers how that woman presents her content, how do you think she feels? That is why majority of women are angry. That is why majority of women are offended. Because you now expect all women to start acting like Kaya. We can't all do what Kaya is doing, because if we did, life would be boring. Some of you will watch her content even for hours, but the moment we ask the kind of recipe you learned from her videos, you cannot tell, because you're not even concentrating with how she's cooking her food. You're only concentrating with how she's presenting her content. That is what majority of you are doing. You're concentrating on how she's dressed. And that is why I said I fault the society, because you expect a lot from women. Give the same support you're giving Kaya to every woman who's doing content out there, no matter how she's presenting her content, because we cannot all be the same. Men are the ones who are giving women pressure to wear revealing clothes or to be overly provocative just to push content. Because let's be honest, would you people show the same support to a woman who's, dressed differently? You wouldn't. If Kaya was dressed just like a normal chef, would you still give her the same support? If she was not presenting her content the way she does, the way she dances, the way she dresses, would you still give her the same support? You wouldn't. And it's very unfair. Not just to content creators, even to every woman out there. Because right now, before we even produce content, we are first going to think about how are we supposed to dress, how are we supposed to act. Because if we don't think about those things, we already know that you won't support us. And some of you can't even give your girlfriends, your wives, the same support. You can't. And you're the same people who will later start complaining about how women lack morals and principles. You're the same people who will later come to judge us. You're the same men who will still judge Kaya of how she behaves. I completely understand why majority of women are offended. It feels like Kaya's intentions are not just about cooking, but to seduce. Before you even judge me, ask yourself, why are we here? Why are we having this discussion? That is the intention. The focus shifts from her kitchen skills to her physical appearance. And that leaves us with a lot of questions. Some of us are asking, would her content be popular if she dressed modestly? If the answer is no, if you feel like the answer is no, then just know that is where all these frustrations are coming from. It's because majority of you men want to support women who only dress like her, but not women who dress modestly. Ask yourself, what are you people trying to promote in our society? I might sound harsh, but some of you will agree with me. What are we trying to promote in our society? And I'm not saying that Kaya is wrong to do whatever she's doing. No, that is her choice. She can do it the way she wants. No one is limiting her. No one is judging her. All I'm just saying is the society right now wants all women to behave that way. We cannot all be like Kaya. We are born different. And the problem is not Kaya. The problem is the society and platforms that reward this kind of content and overlook others who don't use the same strategy. That is where the problem is. It's a reflection of what the audience prioritizes and not Kaya's approach. That is where we are as a society. There are things we will promote and there are things we won't promote. Today, we choose to promote immorality. over promoting things that are, can build all of us. The society needs to support all women without discrimination, whether they are like Kaya or completely different. We need to create space for all of us. We shouldn't be discriminating others just because they don't behave like someone else out there. Let's create space. Let's create opportunities for everyone out here. And to all women out there, especially young women, just know your value is not tied to how you look or how you dress. We value you just the way you are. Yeah, that is my take, guys. But I want to know from you, what do you think about Kaya's content and the reactions to it? Drop a comment and also remember to subscribe, like, and also share this video. And until next time,